Hey everybody out there, what's it gonna be?
Life
Here we go.
is a collection of experiences that tie us all together. Give meaning to our existence. That spark excitement. Reflect who we are. And what we believe. These are precious moments. Lasting memories. So let's celebrate the ones that matter.
What are you up to?
The ones that color our lives. Hope that sheds light and cause us to believe. A path defined by gratitude and honor. Meaningful moments don't just happen by chance.